Hey guys, so we're gonna get a little crafty today and work on the BT21 headbands. So basically the baby version, I think it's like fully sold out. I don't think they're selling these versions anymore, which sucks because I actually like these a lot better than the new ones. These are I think they're calling it Mimini, right? Mimini style Koya one that I have, and so I added rhinestones on here. So yeah, with the baby version, I think it only had, yeah, they only made it with one plushie on it. I don't know why. I think it looks cute with two, so that's why I bought two. Again, these ones are really hard to find now, but I'll link the store where I was able to find Koya. And so yeah, we're gonna put both plushies in one headband and add rhinestones like this one, how I did it here. And I'm using my rhinestone applicator thing. So yeah, let's get started. And ta-da! Here it is. The plushie is also onto the headband. I forgot to mention earlier that you also don't have to hand sew. You can definitely hot glue the plushie onto this, but I just think hand sewing it just gives it a nicer, cleaner look. But yeah, now onto the fun part, which is adding the rhinestones onto the headband. And so I purchased this kit on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you're interested. But yeah, it's a rhinestone applicator. These rhinestones have adhesive already, so all you do is like put it on there and then hold the applicator here for a couple seconds, and then it will stick onto the fabric. So yeah, again, this option, it's also a lot cleaner and easier in my opinion than using the, I think, what's the glue, the E6000. That one can get kind of messy. So yeah, if you're working with fabrics, I recommend this tool. So yeah, let me plug it in and heat it up. And ta-da! We are done with the headband. I love it. I think it's really cute. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.